In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get organized in Notion with dashboards, databases, and workflows. We'll start by building a solid foundation. Create a central homepage that acts as your dashboard or command center. Think of it as your starting line, a place where you can jump to projects, tasks, notes, and resources in one click. Group related pages under this dashboard so navigation stays intuitive. To keep your sidebar clean, tuck away less used pages under the main ones. A tidy sidebar reduces visual noise and makes your workspace feel faster. To speed things up, open the Notion template gallery and pick a starter system for notes, projects, or journals. Templates give you a working structure you can personalize, so you spend less time building from scratch and more time actually working. Next, organize your content using databases instead of plain pages. Any list of items, projects, tasks, ideas, works best as a database because you can add properties and multiple views. Start by adding properties that make your content meaningful: a status for projects, tags for notes, and a date property for events or deadlines. Then choose the view that matches the job. A Kanban style board is great for tasks moving through stages, while a calendar view makes schedules and content planning easy to visualize. If you research or save links often, use the web clipper to send articles directly into a database. From there, you can add AI properties or link-related resources to extract key insights, summarize takeaways, or keep context at your fingertips. Now, streamline your workflow. Use Notion AI to brainstorm goals and generate an action plan with concrete steps. For projects, build a pipeline by creating a project database with stages like planned, in progress, and complete. Then use a board view so you can drag items through the workflow. Link relevant notes, documents, or resources to each project so everything you need is connected. To speed repetitive tasks, create buttons that spin up new pages with pre-filled fields, perfect for a daily reflection, a meeting note, or a project brief, so every entry is consistent and quick to create. Finally, maintain your system. Schedule a regular review, weekly or monthly, to prune old pages, archive what you're done with, and simplify what feels heavy. Small cleanups keep your workspace fast and trustworthy. And when things feel overwhelming, pick one task from your list and focus on that single action. Progress builds momentum, and momentum keeps your Notion system working for you.